Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube in background on iPhone. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your web browser. From here, you need to search and go to youtube.com. For this purpose, we will not be using the app, so we'll go to youtube.com. Once you're here, select any video that you want to play. Scroll through and tap on the video that you want. And once the video starts playing, tap on the full screen button on the bottom right of the video. Once it's on full screen, swipe up from the bottom and go to your home screen. For the next step, you need to go to your control panel. After that, you will get to see the YouTube video on the top right. Tap on it and then tap on play. And now, go to your home screen. As you can see, the video is still playing in the background. You can open up any app you want, and the video will still keep playing in the background. So this way, you can have any video playing in the background while using other apps. So that is how you can play YouTube in background on iPhone.